In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate the total sum in Google Sheets. Whether you're tracking expenses, managing a budget, or organizing data, knowing how to find the total sum can be incredibly useful. So, let's dive right in. To begin with, open your Google Sheets where you have your data organized. This may be a document you've been working on, or you can create a new one if you're just practicing. It's always helpful to have your data well organized in columns, as this will make the process of calculating totals much simpler and more intuitive. Now, let's focus on the specific location where you want your total sum to appear. Typically, you'll want it to be easily visible for quick reference. For this example, we're going to work with data located in column B, and we'll display the sum in cell B8. So go ahead and click directly on cell B8 to select it. Once cell B8 is selected, it's time to enter the sum formula. This is where the magic happens. In Google Sheets, the formula we use to calculate a sum is quite straightforward. You want to start by typing the equal sign followed by sum. This triggers the formula feature in Google Sheets, letting it know you're about to input a function. Next, open a parenthesis right after the word sum. Now, specify the range of cells you want to add together. In this demonstration, we'll sum up the values from cells B2 through B6. To do this, type B2, B6 between the parentheses. The colon between B2 and B6 denotes that you're selecting all cells, starting from B2 up to and including B6. Remember, consistency is key. It's important to ensure that all the entries within these cells are numerical data so the sum function can perform its task correctly. Finally, close the parenthesis to complete the formula. So the complete formula in cell B8 should look like this: sum B2 B6. Simple as that. Once you've typed this out, it's time to activate the formula. Just press the Enter key on your keyboard and watch as Google Sheets calculates the total sum and displays it in the selected cell, B8. And there you have it. We've walked through the process of calculating a sum in Google Sheets step by step. Now you can utilize this method to quickly summarize data and ensure you're on top of your numbers. It really is that easy and efficient. Feel free to practice this with different ranges to get even more comfortable. Thanks for watching, and happy calculating.